Hi everyone, my name is Ramya and she is my daughter Tia. So we recently purchased a flat in here, Amruta Platinum Towers. So after we purchased the flat, so we were looking for some good interior designers. So while we are inquiring, we got to know about this Nestopia Interiors. Okay, while we were looking for interior designers, we have inquired a few of the interior designers. So we and then we have chosen this Nestopia Interiors because we have compared this Nestopia Interiors along with the other interiors. So after that, we have discussed our requirements with the Harish, and we have seen one of their recently executed projects. We went and we have looked out through the interiors and all. We liked it very much, and then we have decided that okay, we'll go with Nestopia Interiors. Then the Nestopia Interiors started with the design phase. They have taken listened to all our requirements, and they have taken into consideration, and they have started giving us the designs. So to be frank, we haven't changed much of their designs. It was 99% of the designs given by them, and we very much liked it. So we didn't even thought of changing that. And later they have after we finalized the design, they have started doing the 3D renders, and they have shown us how our home would look like, and it was very beautiful to see that how our home is going to come. So we like that very much, and then after that they have started the execution, and execution has went through very smoothly. Yeah, throughout the execution phase, we got timely updates like what was the work so far has been done, and what is the next work they are going to do, and if we had any selections like final selections handles and all, they have very patiently supported, and they have helped us choose the best ones for our home. After we saw the 3D render images, like okay, we were thinking like this is how maybe our house is going to look like us, and also we were worrying whether it will come the exact, or we will get disappointed or something like that. But after the complete work is done, it was like whatever we felt while going through the 3D render images, like the same thing we have felt. Okay, I was very happy that it looked same as we felt when we see the 3D render images. I was absolutely happy by looking our home, like it came out so good and so beautiful. Whatever I liked in our house, the best part that I liked is like my kids' wardrobe. It came out very well as I thought. So even though like whatever the Nestopia Interiors they gave the design and all, but whenever I wanted to change any of the designs, any few elements I want to add, they have patiently taken all my things into consideration, and the wardrobe it came out very well, and it was very pretty, and my daughter liked it very much. And one more thing I want to specify is that partition. So it was very hard for me to select the partition. So however, I took input from the interior in SOP interiors also, and at the last we came out with this design, and it also came out very well, and it added more beauty to our home. And one more favorite part in our home is the mirror partition. So it came out very well. So since it was a mirror, I was thinking of like how it will add to our home and how it will look. So the Nestopia Interiors they gave me a preview like how it would look like, and at the end it came out very well, and it was very perfectly melded into our home, and it added beauty to our home also. The overall experience with the Nestopia Interiors, it was pretty good. We got the timely updates in each phase of the overall process, like design, implementation, execution, everything. And coming to the budget, like after we see the output of our home, we felt like whatever the amount we have spent, it was worth it, and we were very happy with our house after the final output. And I strongly recommend the Nestopia Interiors, like whoever is looking for the interiors for their home. If you want your home to come out as beautiful as you want, like please go with Nestopia Interiors. Thank you.
My favorite color is pink. I love my room to be pink. I like my bed very much. I love my room.